We're here at 705 East Buffalo Street at this historic Italianate mansion right in Collegetown at the corner of Buffalo and North Corey Streets. We're going to see apartment number 2, which takes up the front corner of the house. The entrance is over on the side. There's a short ramp that will go up to get into the house. We'll walk over and we'll meet you at the entrance. I think this ramp is a nice feature to have here on this apartment at the entrance. I also like right here at the entrance, this entrance area with the fun yellow painted ceiling above the covered entrance, and we'll go in. There's a lot of unique features here in these apartments, in these classic homes. You can see the beautiful exposed brickwork from the original house and a lot of great original details in here. Even this door is really pretty. Let's go on in. So this is a 2-bedroom apartment. Let's go on in and take a look. We have an open space here for our kitchen and living room. And you can see we've got the living room items. This apartment does come with a TV. There is an air conditioner over here in the window. And we've got the kitchen over here. This kitchen was renovated, so we do have newer appliances in here in this kitchen. So everything new: stove, dishwasher, microwave, refrigerator, updated cabinets in here. So it looks really great. Another nice feature in this apartment is the very tall ceilings, much taller than you would normally see. We're at least 12 feet high, possibly more, but they're pretty tall. It's pretty cool. It really gives this an open feeling to the space in here. Let's go on over here. You can see we've got our dining set up. You can move the furniture around wherever you like in the apartment. Let's go on in the bathroom for the apartment. It has a really cool feature that I know you'll love. Let's take a look in here. We've got that shower. This one is just a one single size standing shower. And you've got the sink over here. And there's the toilet. And take a look at this. This is gorgeous. Here's an original stained glass window. So the stained glass window is here in the bathroom. In the daytime, you'll be able to see the stained glass window looks nicer from the inside. At night, you'll be able to see it from the outside. It is absolutely beautiful. This is a great conversation piece or a nice item to have here in your apartment. This beautiful stained glass window. Let's take a look at the bedrooms. There's an entrance door again. So we'll go see the 2 bedrooms. Bedrooms are over here on the side. Bedroom number 1 is the smaller of the 2 rooms. Let's go on in. So we have a nice big window facing towards Buffalo Street. And again, we can see those high ceilings. Furnishings for a bedroom are a desk and chair, a dresser, and bookshelf. And in this one, I know they have the bookshelf out here in the living space for here. They just have not placed it within the bedroom, but you could certainly move it around in here if you like. You may move it wherever you like. Here's another fun feature to the closet in this room. There's that cubby above. That is some great extra storage space that you have. So you can really see the extra height in this room. So bedroom number 1. Let's go take a look at bedroom 2. Bedroom 2 is going to be the larger of the 2 rooms. That is over here on the left. And the way that it's set up, this is more of an L-shaped kind of alcove entry to this room. Look at these windows. They are so huge in here. This is so bright. So this is facing west. This is looking over that porch to the house that we saw from the street before we entered. Furnishing items, here we can see everything: the desk and chair, the dresser, the bookshelf. There's that full-size bed. And you can see this room has an open style closet storage space. So you definitely could bring in some of your own storage items. We've got that bar across there. That's your hanging bar for your clothes. If you wanted to cover up your clothes, you could certainly bring in your own tension rod and a curtain type setup to get that covered if you like. Both of these rooms will have a double set of blinds. So there is that set of blinds that goes about halfway down, the ones that are down on both the windows. Then there's a whole nother blind. That gives you, I think, a nice way to control the light and the privacy in your room. And again, this room does face over the porch. The porch has access to the 3-bedroom apartment that is next door to us and the 6-bedroom apartment that is upstairs. And so that is a look at bedroom 2. Again, you can see some of those details out on the porch of this classic home, some of the fun porch details. So that's a look at bedroom 2. So this is 705 East Buffalo Street. apartment 2. We're in an 1890 Italianate mansion here in central Collegetown, just out of the main part of Collegetown. So to get to campus, you would go up to the corner of Buffalo and Eddy Street, walk to the top of Eddy Street about half a block, and then you'll go through the original Eddy Street gate entrance to the university behind Cascadella Hall, and then you're right on campus. So we're very close to campus still, right here in Collegetown, but out of the more busy, bustling part in this Collegetown apartment here at 705 East Buffalo Street.